This is my scale test number 1 for Dean McNeil's Jazz Materials class. I'm going to start, actually I'm going to do all my scales in the key, starting with the key of G and cycling through the circle of fifths. So I'm going to start with the bebop scale. C. And then we're going to do F. And B flat. E flat. A flat. And then D flats. D flat and then G flat. And then B bebop scale. D flat, we're going to do the E bebop scale now. A. And for the next one, it will be a D bebop scale. And then we're going to do the blues scale next, starting in G once again. C. And F. And then the next one here is a B flat blues scale. B flat and then E flat. A flat. And then we got D flat. D flat, G flats. G flat, and then the next one is B. This is the B blues scale. E blues scale. A blues scale. And then in D. And for the next scale, I guess I'll get into some of the modes. We'll do the Dorian, because that one's the hardest one for me. Okay, the Dorian. I don't know what's with my rhythm there, so I'll start over with the Dorian. Dorian starting in G. And then C. And then F. And then the next one will be B flat. And then E flat. A flat. And then D flat. And G flat. And B. E. A. Sorry. And then D. Then we'll do the Mixolydian in G. That'd be with a flat flat seventh. So flat seventh Mixolydian, starting with G. And then C. And then F. And then B flat. And then E flat. A flat. And then the next one we'll do the D flat. And then E flat. I mean G flat, sorry. And then the B Mixolydian. And then the E Mixolydian. A Mixolydian. And then the D Mixolydian. The next one we'll do is the Lydian, which has a sharp fourth in it. So the Lydian is G Lydian we'll start with. As the sharp fourth right there, which in this case is a C sharp. So G Lydian. And then C Lydian. And then the F Lydian. And then B flat Lydian. And E flat Lydian. A flat Lydian. And then D flat Lydian. G flat. G flat, and then the next one would be B Lydian. E Lydian. And then A Lydian. And D Lydian. And then the next scale we got to do is the chromatic scale. So I'll do it so you can see. I'll do it in the key of B, I guess. So we'll do the key of B. Just a ascending and descending chromatic scale. I'll start that over. Okay. Starting from B. Okay, so there's the B chromatic scale, ascending and descending. And then what am I missing here? I'm just missing the major, the minor, the harmonic minor, and the melodic minor. So I'll start with the harmonic minor. Starting in G once again, cycling through the circle of fifths. Sorry, just got an update on the computer there. So that was G. I'll do that over again. Then we'll do C. And then F. And then the B flat. E flat. A flat. And then the next one would be D flat. and then G flat. And then the next one from G flat would be B harmonic minor. And then the E harmonic minor. And the next one would be A. And then E. Or sorry, D. And then we'll do the harmonic minor. I mean melodic minor. I think I already did that actually, didn't I? But I'll do it again just in case I didn't. Melodic minor to show you I understand it. It's actually one of the harder ones for me, so I'll do it again. So starting in G. And then C. And then F. And then in B flat. And then E flat. A flat. And then the next one would be D flat. And then G flat. G flat, and then the melodic minor in B. And then the melodic minor in this would be E on the 12th fret. That was Dorian, so we'll do it again. E melodic minor. And then A. And then D. And I believe I've got all the scales now except for one. I'm missing one. That would be the, I think it's just the minor or the major. I think it's the major. So I'll just do the majors to finish off here. And then I'm done my scale test number 1. Alright, so this is G major, cycling through the circle of fifths. This one's obviously the easiest one, so I saved it for last. Okay, G major. C major. And then F major. And then we've got B flat major. E flat major, A flat major, and then D flat major, D flat, G flat, and then B major. And then we've got E major. That's E major. And we've got A major. And then for the last one we have D major. Thank you very much. Scale test 1. I hope I did well.